Welcome to the or Swagatam in the lecture series Learning Computer with seeing the beautiful natural sites, greenish sites of Bharatiya village or Indian village, and this is the natural sites of a typical Bharatiya or Indian village. And one point I want to note you that these all videos are made by with the help of Infinix Smart Mobile. And in this lecture I would like to talk about uh, the topic wireless network. So let us start and see what is wireless network and its characteristics. I think you are enjoying my video, that is learning computer with seeing the natural greenish sites and beautiful sites of Indian village fields, cultivating fields. Now come to the point, or come to our topic, which is wireless network. Wireless computing systems integrate computing equipment and devices by using wireless communication technology. Such systems enhance functionality of computing equipment by freeing communication from location constraints of wired computing systems. There are two types of wireless computing systems. The first one is fixed wireless systems. In this wireless system, these wireless computing systems support little or no mobility of their computing equipment. For example, we can set up LAN, that is local area network, using wireless technology to get rid of hassless of cables. The local area network will work as a conventional wired LAN, except that it does not need any cabling and its communication bandwidth may be much lower. And the second one is mobile wireless system. These wireless computing systems support mobility of computing equipment used to access resources of wireless network. In turn, these systems support mobility of users and allow mobile users to access information from anywhere and at any time. Resulting computing environment is called mobile computing or nomadic computing. Like as I am making nomadic video of computer learning. Computing equipment used commonly in mobile wireless systems includes smartphones, laptops, personal digital assistants (PDA), and pagers with internet access. But nowadays, smartphone is widely used for mobile wireless systems. Now see the issues, some issues in wireless computing system. Wireless computing system communicate by modulating radio waves or pulsing infrared light. Stationary transceivers link wireless communication devices to a wired network infrastructure. The area covered by an individual transceiver's signal is known as cell. Cell size vary widely. For instance, an infrared transceivers can cover a small meeting room, while a cellular, that is mobile phone transceivers, has a range of few miles, and a satellite beam can cover an area of more than 400 miles in diameter. Now the successful use of wireless computing system faces several challenges, and we see some important ones. Among them are first lower bandwidth, that is the channel capacity typically available in wireless network is much lower than that available in wired network due to limited spectrum availability, power restriction and noise levels. High error rate. Noise and interference have more impact on wireless computing system than on wired computing system. In turn, increases communication latency resulting from retransmissions, retransmission timeout delays, and error correction protocol processing. Next one is variable bandwidth. The limited bandwidth of a mobile wireless system is also variable depending on location. Channel rules therefore must be an integral part of the system in order to provide service to as many potential subscribers as possible. Next point is increased security concern. Security is a greater concern in wireless system than in a wired system, since information may be traveling in free space with the exception of infrared LANs. Moreover, a mobile network environment needs a stronger level of authentication because network nodes can join or leave the network dynamically. Next is lost or degraded connection. While communicating and moving simultaneously, users may travel beyond the coverage of network transceivers or enters area of high interference. This often leads to degraded connectivity or even loss of connectivity of a user's mobile equipment with system's network. Next point is dynamically changing network. The topology of a mobile wireless network changes dynamically due to movement of the mobile nodes, resulting in a dynamic connections and disconnections of nodes. Moreover, the number of mobile nodes in a network cell varies dynamically, and a large concentration of mobile users, say at conventions and at public events, may overload network capacity. Again, the point is support for routing and location management functions. Mobile wireless system also need to provide support for routing functions to maintain communication with mobility, and location management function, that is to keep track of location of a mobile nodes. Next is limited power. Mobile nodes are battery operated and hence have limited power available. As a result, designer of mobile wireless system must use mechanism to minimize the power required for transmitting and receiving the message. Now we see some wireless applications. The wireless computing systems have interesting and important application. We see these. These are used in web surfing using wireless devices, mobile e-commerce application popularly known as m-commerce application, mobile video on demand application, access to corporate data sales people and other frequent traveler while they are traveling, mobile video on demand service, location sensitive services such as programs that help finding nearby movie theater or restaurant in an unfamiliar location, etc. Now we see some wireless technology. With the years, researchers have introduced several wireless technology, and some popular wireless technologies are discussed here. First, 2G and 3G technology. Every mobile phones earlierly used first generation technology that was analog, circuit based, narrow band and suitable for voice communications only. Then came the second generation wireless network technology, also called 2G technology, that was digital, circuit based and narrow band but suitable for voice and limited data communication. And then came the third generation wireless networking technology called 3G, and it is suitable for voice and advanced data application including online, multimedia and mobile e-commerce. And then next came 4G technology, which reaches even in the village area and used for watching video, online digital video, etc. and internet surfing, etc. And present 5G technology is also in use. Now let's know the next one, wireless LAN, which is also known as WLAN. Wireless LAN. A wireless local area network, also called WLAN, is a LAN that enables wireless communication among the equipment which are part of the local area network. It may be connected further to a more extensive fixed network such as local area network, wide area network, or the internet. Wireless interface card that has an antenna is the primary component of a wireless local area network. This card is connected to a mobile unit as well as to the fixed network. A wireless LAN has limited range and usually operates in local area environment such as building, park, hallway or office complex. Its main advantage is that it supports flexibility and mobility, but it has low communication bandwidth. IEEE 802.11 is a popular wide area local wireless local area network standard. And the Wi-Fi is the embedded technology of wireless local area network based on the IEEE 802.11 standard. Although it was originally developed for supporting mobile computing devices such as laptops in LAN, it is now used increasingly for many other services like internet, voice over IP phone access, gaming, and basic connectivity of consumers' electronic products like television, digital camera, and DVD players. So, the next one, wireless technology, is WiMAX, and it stands for Worldwide Interoperability for Microwave Access. WiMAX, Worldwide Interoperability for Microwave Access, and it is a technology based on IEEE 802.16 for providing wireless data communication in WMAN, that is Wireless Metropolitan Area Network. It supports both point-to-point link and full mobile cellular type access, and it is useful for providing communication facility in those areas where we do not have copper network or cable TV network, often referred to as last mile connectivity, and it has added advantage of interoperability and economies of scale due to international standardization. It currently operates in the frequency band of 3.3 to 3.4 gigahertz. Next is wireless local loop, WLL, abbreviated as WLL. Abbreviation means you have to use capital letter, that is cap L, cap W, cap L, cap L. So wireless local loops, WLLs, technology support fixed wireless system. It provides several megahertz of bandwidth which can offer high speed internet access and data transfer service. In addition to basic telephone service, these loops allow long distance carriers to bypass the existing wired local loop owned by local telephone carriers, which may result in the saving of tremendous access charge. And this is the reason many long distances companies in advanced countries like US are looking to build their own WLL to avoid paying access charge. Moreover, in developing nations where laying of thousands of miles of copper cable is impractical, wireless local loop can be used to provide telephone and low speed data transfer services. And the next one is radio router technology. Radio router technology uses a radio transmission framework for packet-based broadband IP wireless communication. It enables building of a radio router network on the top of an existing IP infrastructure rather than from the group up like a 3G network. Since IP network technology is already well developed and inexpensive, radio router systems are relatively easy, economical, and quick to implement. Then again, the next one is multi-hoop wireless network. Most wireless network environments use radio channel to connect mobile equipment to a base station in a single hop. The base station itself is a part of wired infrastructure. Consider an environment where there is no wired infrastructure. Here the communication system must maintain connectivity among users who can move around arbitrarily and can at times not be in direct transmission range of each other. multi-hop wireless network, also known as instant infrastructure systems, provide wireless communication capability in such environment. And last one is the wireless application protocol, WAP. In the above topic, we see that many different wireless access technology exist that are not interoperable. Designing and building networks and applications for each technology would certainly be a very difficult job for developers. With the proliferation of the internet and wireless communication devices, internet access using mobile devices has become important for anywhere, anytime information access capability. However, redesigning of all websites to support downloading of information by mobile users is certainly not feasible. To address this issue, researchers started working toward the development of a technology that could allow development of applications that are independent of the underlying wireless access technology and that could enable access of information from existing websites using mobile devices. The result of this was wireless application protocol, which is abbreviated as WAP. So with this I would like to end this lecture here, and think you are enjoying my computer lecture series, that is learning computer with seeing the beautiful sights or greeny sights of Indian village, and it gives you the peace in your mind. And I also told you that these all videos are made using Infinix smart mobile. So with this I would like to end this lecture.